Okay, so now we're going to use our special angles and these properties that we learned to find the value of x and y. So we're looking for x. I notice a couple of things, and I'm still also considering my vertical angles and whether I have a linear pair. So our vertical angles, they're congruent. Our linear pair are two angles that make a line and add up to 180. So if I look at my picture here, I've got, well, first and foremost, vertical angles. So 115 equals the measure of angle 4. And the reason, because I'm going to justify my steps, is that vertical angles are congruent. Then if I know that that's 115, I'm going to write that in. That should be 115. And now I'm inside of my two parallel lines, so I'm thinking same side interior angles. And same side interior angles are supplementary. So that means that 115 plus x plus 5 equals 180 because they are same side interior angles. So then I solve for x. And I will get that x is 60. All right, next example, kind of thinking the same things. We're still thinking about vertical angles and linear pairs, but also our new list of special angles. So with this picture, I'm still going to keep vertical angles congruent and whether we have a linear pair. Well, if I look here, I can start off with a number of ways. I could go 1 and 136. Those are a linear pair. So they should add up to 180. That means that the measure of angle 1 is 44. So I'm going to write that. And the reason I could go there is that I had a linear pair. Now I know the measure of angle 1, so I'll probably next need to figure out what x is. So the measure of angle 1 is 44, and then I have the on the outside and opposite side of my transversal, 7x plus 9, so those are going to be congruent because of alternate exterior angles. So then I get 7x is equal to 35 and x is equal to 5. So this is going to be a really important step deciding what type of angles you have here. These two weren't one of our special ones, so that's why I decided to find 44 first and then look for x.